True, Errol Flynn never bothered with such refinements when he was cutting a swathe through the Sheriff of Nottingham's men, but fencing 1993 style is a serious and safety-conscious business. Just ask the 500 or so who turned up in Cardiff at the weekend to make the Welsh Open, Britain's biggest fencing tournament. The foils, the épées, the sabres were out in force. But what's the appeal for these latter-day swashbucklers?
It's like a one-to-one sport, individual sport. Like in a team game, you've got to rely on, other players as well. But in fencing, it's just down to you. It's rather like boxing, where you've got to outwit your opponent. So the thrill of it is really getting one over on your opponent, and making him fall for everything that you plan to do,
Wales is weak in numbers, 300 or so, but strong in quality, with medals confidently expected at next year's Commonwealth Games. The sport has a new development officer and promising future.
You suddenly feel as if you've been in a fight. It's a martial art.
You have different styles, do you?
Oh, yes.
You have the more swashbuckling type,
Yes.
you have the more...
In a typical competition, you might have 5 or 6 totally different styles to contend with, from the sneaky to the downright brutal.